YouTube, welcome back to another video from DJ Soul Agenda. I am DJ and I want to welcome you here. Like I said, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment. For all my returning people, welcome back. Getting right into it, man. Yes, you saw the thumbnail. We got 2 boxes in from Hat Club from the Aux pack. This is the re-release, you know. Most of you guys know that. I'm super excited to go over these with y'all. I already opened the boxes and you know, took the label off and everything, but I didn't take the hats out yet, so we're gonna get into that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. As you know, I'm gonna show the hat, then we're gonna try to find some sneakers that I have in my collection, you know, that would probably go with them. You know what I'm saying? Maybe some shoes I probably would wear with the shoe, because I'm gonna try to keep that going. As long as I have the shoe, that is. I'm gonna try to keep that going with the hats that I get, like to show what hat, what sneakers I plan on pairing with it. So let's try that out. First one coming up, I can see in here. You know, I opened it up with the box thing, or whatever. So here we got it. The Doom, huh? Is that what that is? There we go. This is from the Aux pack. There's that New York Yankees hat. You know, I don't really do the New York Yankees hat like that. I don't really do them like that, but I had to get this one. You see the side patch on that joint? And there's a reason why I got this hat. Okay, I'm gonna get into it. You see it? That like burgundy or brown, if you want, burgundy with the outside. It's like, kind of like a silver gold. I'm not really sure, but you see the outline of the New York symbol. Pretty hot. There's our side patch on that joint. You know, we got the gray UV and the black guts. Of course, Cooperstown. Everything you want to know. Everything you want to know is right there. You know what I'm saying? Everything you want to know is right there. So flat batterman on that joint as well. Now, I like I say, oh, you know what? Also, you know, it comes with this. It comes with this pen. I got a bunch of it, man. Look at this. I got 2 actually. Somehow I got two of the listening guy apparently, but I also ordered this one. I tried to get the Kanye one, where, you know, the Kanye guy leaving off, and it sold out before I can get to it, but I was able to still cop this joint, so glad I got them. But like I said, I got 3 of these things, man, so salute to that. I have 3 of them. So anyway, there it is, man. That's the Doom. You know, you know what I'm talking about when I say the Doom album, the artist. That's his. This is the hat right here. I'm loving this. I just love the colors of this one, man. I like this side patch, is pretty cool. Of course, I ain't gonna lie to you. Sometimes I look for the more elaborate side patches, but there's a reason why I got this hat, and I'm getting ready to get into it. So let's talk about some shoes that potentially go with this hat, okay? One of the main ones was, there's 2 that I have that I was fitting with this. One of them was the New Balance ALD beef and broccoli joint. You see what I'm saying? The ALD 993, right? Yeah. The beef and broccoli joint was the one I was immediately thinking of at the time when this came out. I was immediately thinking of the beef and broccoli. And here you have it, my thought process. You see my thought process there? The patch is kind of off when you think about the beef and broccoli, but I feel like the rest of the fitted is the move with the shoe. The beef and broccoli joint, the ALD. How y'all liking that? How y'all liking that? Is it pretty decent? Pretty decent. Let me know. Of course, you know, like I said, comment. Let me know what y'all think about these combos, man. You know what I'm saying? The tongue. I should make that up a little bit. You know, I feel like that's the move, man. So this is what I originally was thinking about. But then, check this joint out. Now, what do you think about this? Oh man, what's that all about, huh? What you thinking about? What y'all thinking? Give me some comments. This is the Mellow, the Air Max Concepts Air Max 1 Mellow. You know, the one paying homage to, they got the Jimi Hendrix with the, you see it at the guitar pick. How y'all feeling with that? Ooh, yeah, that's a monster. Check it out. You see what I'm saying? I think it's pretty dope. I think it's pretty dope. You? Yeah, and I was going for the beef and broccoli, but then I copped this one too, and yeah, that's a move. That's a whole vibe right there to me. That's a whole vibe right there to me. I mean, you tell me how you feel about it, but we good to go. I mean, which, you know, of the two, I mean, think about it though, really. Of the two sneakers, which one of y'all feeling? I gotta know what y'all think. I have to know what you think about that. So, yeah, let's put the Doom up from the aux pack. I'm just gonna put it back in the box that it came with. And I'm gonna put these pins in here too, because I don't need all these pins, you know, all these pins, man. And we already know that we got the other box. Let's pull that out. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, I wanted this one. This is the Cameron. This is the Cameron from the pack. There you have it. Giants. Ooh, I love that. Man, so dope. So dope. 1954 World Series Giants patch on this joint. So dope. The New York hat too, and I live in St. Louis. Isn't that funny? But you wear everything. But I absolutely, yes, I buy the Lou Fit. It's got to. But I buy other stuff. But check it out. I thought it was dope. I thought it was dope, man. I just love the colors. You know what I'm saying? The whole Cameron vibe. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go with that. But now here's the situation. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even go over the UV. You see the pink? It's just like on the logo. The pink with the guts being white. Everything you want to see. Cooperstown, right? Everything you want to see in there. All right. And then, of course, you already know we got we got this guy. You already seen that. We got that joint. And then, of course, it comes with, what do you know? You know what I'm saying? So we'll get those pins, get them put in there. Oh, again, don't worry about the stickers and everything. I haven't taken none of that off yet. I will when I get ready to. When I get ready to wear it, and I'll just, put the hats together. But for now, I'm just gonna put them up. So don't trip off that. And I'll put the pins. I'll probably put the pins in here just so they can, be with the hats for right now. And then I got extras, so you know how that go. Put them in the stash. But anyway, let's talk about what shoes would I pair up with this joint. You know what I'm saying? With that pink and that purple. So one thing I thought about, tell me what you think. One shoe I thought about was the 90. This is the Simpsons. All right. How y'all feeling with that? How y'all feeling with, is it doing too much to you? Is you like, nah, that ain't it? Like, how do y'all feel with the 90 on that joint? The Simpsons. How y'all feel about that? Let me know. Or if you're not feeling that, here's what I was thinking when I was copping. Here's what I was thinking. Let me pull this joint out real quick. I was thinking of going with this bad boy right here. The another 90. Yeah, you see it. Dead stock too still. I was thinking about going with that joint. I felt like that was a vibe to me. All the way down to the lace tips, I feel like that was a vibe to me. I was like, yeah, I'm looking at it now. Yeah, I feel like that's a move. I feel like that's a move. It's a lot, but I feel like that's a move. And then make it so bad, I got the socks to go with it now. Yeah, I mean, I get it. I'm like, bro, that's a lot. Man, I get it, but I'm just saying that, I got all that. Socks, shoe, fitted, man. This is what I was thinking. This is what I was thinking. I mean, it looks good to me. To me, it looks like a move. You know what I'm saying? Look, I'm talking like I need y'all to convince me, which I don't. Yeah, but you know what I'm saying? Slight. I think that's fire, man. I like it better than the Simpsons. Simpsons is decent. You know what I'm saying? I could do that one. But I feel like this is my move right here. Or if you could probably get away with this if, I don't know. I don't have the court purples. Then again, that might be two different purples, bro. So I'm not really sure. It's, you know what I'm saying? But from what I'm trying to do, I'm good. I feel like for what I was trying to, and I usually think about that. Well, most of the time I think about, what kicks I'm gonna wear with the hat before I purchase it, right? Because we know when they're coming out. So we see the pictures on IG, etc. So I'm kind of already thinking about, okay, what shoes I want to wear with that. You know what I'm saying? Or shoes are coming out that I'm gonna get to go with that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm always in that type of mindset. But then sometimes I'm be honest, there's sometimes I just buy the hat because I think it's dope, without little thought into it. I'm being honest with you. This one I was actually trying to think about. I thought it was dope, yes, absolutely. But I was also thinking about what I could wear with it. And as you see, I came out of the aux pack with these two hats. So, you know what I'm saying, Doom and Cameron, you know what I'm saying? So slight on that. But yeah, tell me what y'all think, man. What y'all think? What would you have paired with these fitteds? You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you would have paired with them. What do you think about the shoes that I paired with them? Like, I'm not about to pull out all my shoes, but I mean, I think I did decent, you know what I'm saying? So you be the judge of that. You be the judge. Go ahead and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Until next time, make sure y'all keep the notification bell up, because I got more shoes coming. I got reviews I still need to do, and I got a lot of hats that's coming in the mail still. So those fitted videos are coming up as well. Okay. I know the lids hat drop, and I got a few of them. Yeah. So, and some other stuff from all over. For you caps, just everywhere. So make sure you tuned in. Okay, we're gonna show those caps. All right. Until next time, I'm DJ. I'm gonna see you later. Peace out, guys.